One of the things we're so excited to do here at The Fish is to give you information about services that you have questions about, you have needs for, and yet you don't know who to call. That's certainly probably the case when it comes to needing sound legal advice or legal services. You might have a need, but you have no idea who to call, and that's why I'm really glad to introduce you to Christopher White. He's managing partner at the White Law Office. And Christopher, thanks for joining us today.
Absolutely. Thank you, Len.
Man, I'm so glad that we had the opportunity to meet. Right away, I was drawn to finding out more about what you do, your company's slogan or motto, small town approach, top-notch talent. Just unpack that for us. What does that mean?
White Law Office is a family firm based in Holmes County, Ohio, with offices across southeastern Ohio, with a focus at the rural marketplace. We found out early on 98% of the legal services in the country are aimed at the urban metropolitan marketplace. That left 2% of us left over for a much larger geographic area that has increasingly more complex issues that they're facing all the time. We found that we wanted to be the people to meet those needs in that market, in those areas where folks say, where do I turn? Who do I go to? And sometimes without a ready answer, they just went without answers. They went without solutions. And so our firm's focus is bringing the best legal services to the largest rural marketplace in the country and saying, how can we help you? How can we meet the problems and find the solutions to your problems?
I'm comfortable sitting across from a table with you right now. A lot of people are intimidated when they just hear, I have to call an attorney, I have to take some action. So maybe ease their concerns if they give your office a call.
Absolutely. And it is often said that, sometimes approaching attorneys like coming before the great and powerful Oz. The intimidation can be a very real thing because I may not understand them, or I may not feel uncomfortable because I've gotten myself into a situation that I'm going to have to bear a little bit of the errors that I've made to get into this place. That is something that we try and put people at ease about. Our values of honesty and respect at our office mean that we understand people who are coming to us may not be coming on their best day. Yeah. They may not be coming feeling, hey, this was a great choice that I made and I need to go talk to the attorneys. We understand it's stressful. We understand that it's emotionally difficult. And we want to try and make sure that anybody who contacts us and works with us understands it's okay. We are going to be here. We'll give you an honest evaluation of what we can do. We'll recognize the sometimes trauma that you're experiencing in this situation and say, while we can't heal your heart, we might be able to help you put right the reality that's surrounding you right now, or at least walk through that with you.
It has to be personally gratifying for you and the whole team when you get a positive outcome and you see the result of litigation in a situation.
Absolutely. Litigation or a transaction or even as closing a house that somebody's selling. To see them be able to say, oh, that's it? We're done? Yeah, absolutely. I would say not all the time can we say we win. But it's even walking through the losses. It's walking through the ramifications of, I'm sorry, it did not go our way. That we can journey with people through this, try and comfort them, try and help them understand the situation the whole way along, and be fair with and evaluate with them, can we do this? Even though we may not be able to guarantee that we can win it. At the end of the day, we will be there with them and they won't be alone.
If we have someone watching right now and they need some help, how do they get a hold of you guys?
Well, there are two primary ways. One is obviously the phone number. It's 330-231-1195. And then you can also go online, which there's a very robust website that shows all of the areas that we work in generally. And it doesn't go into great detail, so they can always call, but they can go to the website at thewhitelawoffice.com and research about what we do, email us, even answer. There's a messaging center right there on the website that they can talk to us.
Chris, grateful that you do what you do. I'm glad we met, and I'm glad we could let our listeners know about your services.
Thank you.